Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix you need to Vanguard to be running to play League of Legends. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to open up Task Manager and then go to Processes, Riot Client, and then end all the tasks related to Riot Client, and then Valorant or League of Legends. It should be no tasks. Then go to Startup Apps and then make sure that VG3.exe is enabled here. Next thing what we need to do here, you just need to go to Services, and on Services you just need to click on one of the tasks here and press V until you see VGC. Then right click on it, Properties, Startup Type, make sure it's automatic, and then Server Status, make sure it's running. After that, after this bar is finished, apply, OK. Next thing what you need to do here, you just need to write System Configuration, and then here on System Configuration you need to look for Services, hide all Microsoft services, scroll all the way down, and then you'll see VGC. Make sure it's enabled. If it's not, apply OK, and then restart your computer. And then your issue should be solved. If for some reason, if this does not work, then go to Installed Apps, and on Installed Apps, you need to look for, on Search Apps, Vanguard. Press on the three dots, uninstall, and then you just need to wait until Vanguard is uninstalled here. And after Vanguard is uninstalled, go to open up Riot Client, go to League, update, because you need to reinstall Vanguard, and then you can play the game. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.